My name is Austin Haynes, and I run the shipping department here at Little Beaver. I have now become the fourth generation of Little Beaver, and proud to be a continuing member of the Little Beaver family. I started working here out of high school, doing things from the saw, assembling transmissions, mechanical machines, and kind of worked my way up into the shipping department. So a typical day is receiving orders that have been placed, gathering parts, placing them in the boxes, and getting them out to customers, whether that be mechanical machines, hydraulic machines, various parts, making sure that it's packed correctly to make sure it gets to the customer intact and in a timely manner. You come to work with these people every day, you get a sense of camaraderie with them. It makes your workday go by a lot quicker. Being with people that you enjoy being around on a daily basis, that's a big part about working here. This place is something special to me, and it always has been.